This video has been a long time coming. If you saw my day in the life of a small handmade business owner video from last week, I had to do like a complete undertaking of my studio and my storage space. For one, just because it needs to be done. Two, I am looking for ways to streamline and manage my business as things are growing and more is happening in my personal life. I really need things to be more manageable in order for me to be successful. In the spirit, I have gathered a few things, made a few purchases to help me organizationally. Then we're going to organize the closet. I'm a little nervous for this one, I'm gonna be honest. So let's go ahead and unbox the things that I got. Well, now it's Sunday. We just got back from CCD, and I have a little bit of time before I need to start my homework. Here are the things that I got for organizing my closet. Got 3 of these stackable drawer setups. So they do have little pull knobs, but they're inside. Like I have to kind of assemble them. So I got 3 of these. So I think these will be nice. They are a little bit smaller than I originally thought they were going to be, but I do still think that they will be a nice size. So I have 3 of these to put together. And then from Target, I have 2 of these. These are definitely going to be for fragrance oils. There are 3 like pull-out drawers, although they're like locked in there right now because I just got it. But I think this will be really good for trial sizes. This shelf looks like it'll be good for the 4-ounce Wholesale Supplies Plus bottles. And then this bottom shelf, I don't want to drop it. This bottom shelf looks like it's going to be good for taller bottles. I don't think it'll quite fit 8-ounce bottles, but you know how some bottles from different brands are different. So that's very exciting. I got 2 of these to see like how much I could fit on them. And then I can also put bigger bottles up here. So essentially my plan is to have one of these dedicated to seasonal fragrances, like maybe a fall winter shelf, or maybe, you know, like a summer fragrance shelf, or a general, you know what I'm saying? Maybe my core line could have its own shelf. Just a different way that I can organize things in the closet. So that's I think it's a good amount of storage. Let me give you a quick little sneak peek of something that I was doing earlier. It's nothing to do with organizing a closet, by the way, but I'm going to show you. For winter, I think I talked about it in another vlog, but now I am officially taking the pictures for it. So that is... And now on to actually organizing the things. I'm going to open these. They're all wrapped in plastic. Put the little drawer pulls in, and then we'll see how far we get. Well, as you can see behind me, the mess, the mess speaks for itself. It's pretty bad. Also, now that I'm looking at this is all my fragrance oils right here in the second shelf. Okay, this is all my packaging on the top shelf. This like boxes and like bigger equipment. And this one right here, the second shelf, is all fragrance oils. Then we have my third shelf, which is like a hodgepodge. I've got like liquid ingredients, then I've got finished soap, then I've got mica powders, I've got kind of like a hodgepodge of things going on. And then down on the bottom is kind of the same thing, but is more of like vessels, jars, candle vessels. I don't know, like it's a mess. So anywho, but now that I'm looking at it, I think that these white wire shelves that I showed you guys earlier might be too tall. I really hope they fit on the shelf. So I'm gonna slide you in. I just want to like pick everything up and just like slide it over. Okay. All right. Let's just move things. Do you think it's going to fit? There we go. I mean, she's in there. She's in there, but she's in there tight. Like, it ain't going anywhere. But that's good. Like, it's not going anywhere. So that's really good. I'm very excited. That's kind of the problem. So I was planning on using this for core line fragrances, but I don't have any of my core line fragrances in that small of a size. So we're going to have to rethink. We're going to have to rethink the core line fragrances or any of my bigger bottles, really. But for now, we can at least get some smaller things into there. Well, I would say we're looking better already. I actually underestimated how much would fit in this rack. That's pretty cool. I gotta call it a day for now. It is time to figure out everyone's favorite thing what we're having for dinner. So I'll come back later this evening or tomorrow to finish off at least this fragrance oil show. See you then.